Hi, in this video, we will show you how to install Opinew's homepage carousel widget. Here's how to do it. Click on Widgets and select Carousel. Here in this page, once installed, you will be able to have a preview of the widget and to customize it as you want. The main purpose of this widget is to show reviews in a carousel view on your homepage. For the carousel, we recommend to use the reviews that are about your store and not about a particular product because on the homepage, you want to make people confident about your brand as a whole. First, you need to add reviews to the carousel. You can do that by clicking the Reviews tab in here and selecting the reviews you want to show. Click Add on the one you want to show. Once you're done, click Save. Now, we have 4 installing options. The first option is to ask Opinew support to install this widget for you. Just click here and the intercom window will open. There, you just need to ask one of our engineers to help you install this widget on your shop. The second option is to do it manually. To do that, go to Installation via Code Editor, click Open, and select Review Carousel Widget. Here you have 2 options. If you click Manual Installation, you need to select the assets you want to install the widget in, click on Edit Asset. Here, copy this code and place it in the asset where you want. Then click Save. Second option is to click Install Widget. Wait a few seconds, and after that, your widget will be installed. The third option is to do it via Storefront 2.0. To do that, go to your Shopify dashboard, click on Online Store, and in Themes, select Customize your current theme. Here, scroll down in the left section, and in Apps, click Add Block. Here, select Feature Review Carousel. Once you click it, you can scroll down on your page, and you'll see the carousel will show up. Now, the final option is using page builders like Pagefly, Layout Hub, or GemPages. If you use one of them, follow the relevant tutorial in opinew.com/helpcenter and look for the page builder guide you currently use. For example, if you use Pagefly, you can type here Pagefly and select this Help Center icon. Here, you will be able to see that Pagefly lets you use 5 of the Opinew review elements, like Review Widget, All Store Reviews Widget, Product Review Stars, Collection Review Stars, and Average Store Review Badge. You just need to follow these steps, and at the end you will be able to use it. Now, if you use GemPages, type GemPages here, select this article. Same thing, you just need to follow the tutorial, and at the end you'll see that you will only need to repeat the process for any Opinew code. Finally, for Layout Hub, same process. Layout Hub, select this article. You can also use 5 of the Opinew review elements with Layout Hub, and you just need to follow this tutorial. And that's it. Those are the ways to install this widget. If after this you still have any problems, reach out to customer support and our engineers will assist you.